Hi, Mike Canning here from the Ion Transfer Guy, and it's been a while since I've produced a video, but I thought I'd just come on and show you something brand new that we have just started this year in 2024. We've been doing ion transfers now since 2018, and prior to that, we used to do a lot of t-shirt printing. We've been in this industry for many, many years, both here in Australia and also in the UK. What I'd like to show today is a system that we have just set up, which is called the Affiliate Club. And this is all about providing a means in which our customers and obviously influencers on YouTube and so on and so forth, who may want to get some cash back, may want to earn a bit of a passive income, or may just like to do a friend or an associate a favor, and in return get some sort of compensation for that favor. It's basically set up like an affiliate club. It's a standard affiliation. What you do basically is you sign up and you get a unique link, and for every unique link that you send to your friends or associates, when they click on it and purchase something, you would receive a commission of from 10% to 15%. The standard default is 10%, which will increase over time depending on how well you perform and can produce business coming in. The reason why we've done this is that we've spent many years on Google and Facebook, spending lots of money basically trying to get people to come to the website and purchase things. And it's getting very expensive now, like everything is getting very expensive these days. And we thought that rather than give the money to Google or Facebook, that do not guarantee that we would get any kind of comeback, we thought we could give that to people that might be interested in earning some money. And by doing that, we only pay when we get a result. And obviously, the result is then passed on to people like yourself, um, being either past customers or people that do vlogging, blogging, or just email marketing, whatever. So the way it's set up is that you can either come in through, just go in here and get some information. There's some information here, and right down the bottom you'll see a sign up for the affiliate club. There's a link there. Or you can go to the top of the page, of any page on our website, and you'll see another link up here. And when you'll come into a registration form basically, and that registration form you would sign up there. It's just standard registration, like as if you were just setting up an account on a website basically. And instantly, as soon as you've set up, you will then come into this affiliate console. So basically what this shows you is how much earnings you may have produced, what commission rate you're getting, how many visitors from various people that you provide links to, and how much, what type of products that they have purchased. So you get an idea of what people are doing. Now, how to create the links is quite simple. All you need to do is come in here, just click on link generator. So when you come in here, you see that there's an affiliate ID. This is your affiliate ID. So basically that would be attached to every single link. Here is the main website. If you copy this URL, what that will do is at the end of it we'll have the IOTG and 1731 on the end of that link. So you just give that link to people, and basically when they click on that, a cookie will be sent, and that then will produce a commission for you once somebody has actually purchased something. Now, you can either do it throughout the entire website, or if there's a specific product that you would like to offer to your friends or associates or whatever, something in particular they may be interested in, and they can go directly to that page. Let me just give you an example. So if we went on to the company branding section, and you've got a mate who's got a small business and that they want some iron-on transfers for their business attire, what you could then do is you could go onto this page, and let me just F11 this. What you'll find is there's a link up here. There's a link in your browser, which all you have to do basically is copy that. And when we go back to our dashboard, okay, we go back into the link generator here. All you have to do is put that URL in there. Just paste the URL into there, and then once that's done, you then just copy this URL, and within that URL there will be your special link. Let me just give you an idea. So this is opening up Notepad. Okay, so there we go. All right, so basically what that has done is it's put the link to that product there, and it's also got your referral link on the end. So anybody you provide that to, and they click on that, they will then once purchased, you will then get a commission. These friends and associates, they can all sign up for the affiliate club as well. It's not a problem. It's not, it's not specific to anybody really. It's just there. It's there to generate business and give a reward in return for the business that is generated, and that's basically all it is. So how do you receive commissions? That's quite simple actually. All you do is you click on the settings here, and this is a one-time thing. You just place your PayPal account email in there. This is the email address that you use normally to access your PayPal account, and all you need to do then is to, if you want to get notifications, which I'm sure you do, this one here, clicking this on will give you an email of a commission status when it switches to pending, and this one here will give you an email when a commission has been paid. You will also receive an email from PayPal telling you that there is money in your account. Then all you do is just save that information. You won't ever have to come back in here again, unless of course you want to change that PayPal email account address, and you're all set up and ready to go. So that's basically it as far as the affiliate club is, and I hope that it's been of some interest to you. I hope that you may sign up to it if you haven't already, and let's all make some money. Thank you very much. Bye.